Welcome guys, my name is Alex Reitzema. I'm with Building Point West, and we're doing a series of videos with different contractors around the Denver area, talking about how they use Trimble, how it's beneficial for their company. And so today we're here with SCD Corporation in Parker, Colorado. You guys want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, I'm Chris Manahan, Operations Manager.
Okay.
Salvador Ortiz.
Salvador, nice to meet you. We haven't met before, but so yeah, tell us a little about SCD. How long have you guys been in business, or how long have you been using Trimble?
20 years I've been in business.
Okay.
We've been using, we're primarily a residential foundation contractor.
Residential, yep, okay.
So
cool.
Production homes, a little bit of custom. We purchased our first robotic total station back in 2006.
Okay.
And it really changed the way we lay out our footings and foundations. We used to lay out our foundations with our four-man crew, old school I call it, where we would transfer the line from the control point down and then start snapping lines in the excavation and squaring things up, tapes and string lines.
Yep, old school, I like it.
Yeah. When we went to the robotic total station, that changed it from 4 people to 1, which is Salvador. And what an amazing difference. I can't even calculate the amount of man hours it's saved over the years. It's really changed the way we do layout. One of the main differences too is we're getting our layouts done long before the manpower shows up. If there's any issues with excavations, we're identifying them much sooner, getting them handled before anybody shows up. So
that's great. So the robot you got in 2006 you're still using that one?
Yes, still in the field.
Still in the field 11 years later.
Yeah.
And what about, have you gotten any other additional robotic total stations since then?
Yeah, we have 2 right now.
You're using 2 of them now?
Yeah.
And about how many points are you laying out on a job?
Well, for a 30 for, I don't know.
About a 30 per job. And how many jobs are you doing in a day?
It depends, 4 or 5 a day.
Yeah. Yeah, so you're able to move from site to site.
Yes.
And with less points per job, you can move to more jobs per day maybe.
Yes.
Great. Okay. And tell us a little bit about your growth with the Trimble equipment. You used to use different data collectors. Now you're kind of moved on.
Right. For many years we used the Nomad, which was great. Handheld, I call it. Recently we've purchased 2 tablet style units, one Yuma and one Kanai.
Kanai, yes.
And what that's helped us out with tremendously is now everything's CAD file. We can before we had to actually draw the plan into the Nomad, which was quick, but now we're using CAD based. Everything's CAD file. So now Salvador is just importing that CAD file into this unit, and press of a button, he's pretty much got his layout ready. Establishes a few points, and he's ready to lay out. And
you're utilizing Trimble Connect, is that right?
Yes.
So transferring all your files with Trimble Connect, and about how many files do you have up on Trimble Connect right now?
Well, right now around 500.
About 500. Yeah. Nice. That's great to hear. Well, you want to give a little plug for SCD, Chris?
SCD Corp. We're in Parker, Colorado. Foundations in Metro Denver. You need a foundation? Give us a call.
I like it. Well, look for our next conversation with Building Point West. Again, my name is Alex Reitzema, and we're here with SCD. Talk to you next time.